Hi, this is Amy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Mori Lolli doll, Night Bloom. I'm very excited. I purchased her and she came in the mail recently, and her box did come a little damaged, but because they packaged her so well, she came perfect. If you like dolls, sit back and enjoy. She did come with some cards to show her measurements and a little bit of background information on her, as well as a keepsake postcard, which is so sweet. I love that her little detailed outfit came packaged nicely in some tissue. It just felt very luxury and like Christmas. I enjoyed the whole unboxing process and dressing her. It was a lot of fun. The attention to detail on her little outfit is so sweet. I love that they tied her up with little bows inside the box. The presentation is just so lovely. And she is out of the box. Look how cute she is. So I'm normally a troll doll collector, and I have some American Girl dolls and other vintage toys in my collection. But this is my first BJD doll, and I'm just so excited to add her to my toy collection. She's so cute that I actually ordered Alice, and Alice is on the way now, too. The appeal of changing out her hair and her eyes and her clothes is very exciting to me and something new. Because she is jointed, I'm able to pose her, which is really sweet. I'm excited to bring her out on some adventures and take some pictures with her. The inside of her head cases her eyes, and you can change them out with the putty. If you wanted to change the direction of her gaze or the eye color altogether, you can purchase different eyes, and that's just so cool. I love the quality of this wig. It's so soft. It does have some shedding. Hopefully that stops soon, but the color and the texture is very nice. Dressing her did take some time, but if you enjoy doing this process, this doll is for you. I do like dressing dolls and changing outfits. I do that a lot with American Girl doll. I am unable to sew, but I have made little felt outfits for my troll dolls. The attention to detail is really nice too. Her dress has Velcro. The little apron, I believe, has a snap. It was difficult getting her hands through the dress, and I can see that being a problem in the future. Would be nice in the future if they made her wrists and hands articulated, maybe, so you can maybe pull them off to make dressing them a little bit easier. I do have some rainbow high dolls that I can do that with. As a Halloween fan, this doll is very appealing to me. She is so cute. I love the whole aesthetic of her outfit and her pale skin tone. This is me trying to figure out her posing. This cord, I guess, is tight, so it's springing back, but in time, I'm sure I'll get better at it. I love that the pieces are separate, so you can mix and match if you wanted to, making more looks possible, and that's so cool. She's a great size too, perfect for traveling on adventures for doll photography. I love my American Girl dolls, but they are very big, and she's just a nice portable size. Her little shoes have real belt buckles and so cute and tiny. Are you going to get yourself a Lolly Mori? Mori Lolli? I always get the name mixed up. Her box did come with some adhesive stickers to help keep her wig on. I have not added them yet. I'm not sure if I will. And here's her finished look. She is adorable. And I have her stand coming in the mail. I'm very excited for my new doll. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for stopping by.